Right, fitting the Alco wheel lock, what we have is we've got a yellow dust cap on the near side. It's always on the near side. The yellow dust cap is protecting the Alco wheel lock receiver. So the idea is to actually line the wheel up so one of the spokes is central to the cap. Now it's easy enough to do because we've got the motor mover fitted to this particular caravan. So we bring the wheel round so it's central. Now obviously we can't use the one with the valve in, and all we do is we remove the cap from the thread, and you can see we've got our receiver. Now we have the lozenge which is designed to fit this particular wheel. All lozenges are numbered and for all the different types of wheel. We've also got in the Alco wheel lock, we've got our lock pack, which is a locking stud, a corresponding male end, and we've got our barrel, and we've got 2 sets of keys. The idea is line this up. We have a wrench that comes with it in the bag. We slide the stud through the lozenge. Then with the wrench we can fix the lozenge into the receiver. Now we don't want to over tighten this, we just want to make it so we haven't got any backwards and forwards movement. So into there, and then what we do, we get our barrel, we unlock the ball bearings with the key, and all we do, we slide the barrel in flush and we lock off. Now what that does, that actually locks the wheel to the caravan chassis. In the box you've got the instructions, and with the instruction there's a card. The card has a unique number to it, which is your key number. As soon as you can, register the keys either by phone or by computer on the internet, the key number with Alco. The idea is if you do lose your keys and you've registered the keys with Alco, they will send you one. Now obviously take the barrel out, unwind the stud, and then we can replace the yellow dust cap, and that just keeps any muck for going into the thread, and that is your Alco wheel lock.